This is the unboxing video of a Procus dash cam. Actually, it was being unboxed, but it's a retake on it. Okay, have a look. The pack had to be opened when the courier arrived to ensure that we get the cam and that we are not being fooled. Have a look at this. Contents of the box includes a stand, a car charger, and the camera itself. The lens seems fine. However, the screen is just 4 centimeters of length and height of just almost less than 3 centimeters. So as far as the screen is concerned, it is not up to the expectations. In fact, what was seen in the Facebook ad, screen was larger. As always, there is a catalog in it. We have connected the charger and the wire goes up all the way onto the camera. We are switching on. When we switch on, the camera comes to light. However, when we turn off the ignition, the camera fades out. This is a serious defect. However, there's another solution to that. That is by using a mini USB, as in this. Just have a look at this. Using a mini USB cable, you could actually connect it with a power bank. I'll show you how it is done. Firing up and it's working as usual. So using a mini USB and a power bank, we can actually have it powered. So maybe we can even use it for other purposes. This is a video clip which was transferred from the dash cam onto the computer and from there to the mobile. The Procus dash cam costed me 2,500. Mini USB cable costed me 100 rupees. The data bank 1,000 rupees and a memory card of 650 rupees for 64 GB. I think it's a good buy. I think image quality is okay for the price. After all, other dash cams were costing 8,000 and 9,000.